Welcome! If you've ever created a poll in your Messenger group chat and realized you forgot an option, don't worry. There's an easy way to add more choices, even after the poll has already started. In today's video, I'll walk you through the updated steps to add an option to an existing poll in your Messenger group chat. Let's get started. First, open up the Messenger app on your device. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Once you're in, navigate to the group chat where the poll was originally created. You'll see all your messages, and of course, the poll that you want to update. Now, here's the key step. Find the poll in the chat and long press on it. That means just press and hold your finger on the poll for a second or two. When you do this, a menu will pop up with several options. Look for the one that says Add Option. Tap on it, and you'll see a new field appear where you can type in your new poll choice. Enter the option you want to add, whether it's a new restaurant, a different movie, or anything else your group is voting on. Once you've typed in your new option, tap Submit. That's it. Your new choice will instantly appear in the poll, and everyone in the group will be able to see it and vote for it just like the original options. Adding more options is that simple, and it's a great way to make sure everyone's ideas are included in the decision-making process. Whether you're planning a night out, picking a team name, or just having some fun, this updated feature keeps your group chat polls flexible and up to date. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tips and updates. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting!